Do you know the boys brigade structure? If no, watch this video to end. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content about the boys brigade. What is structure? Structure is a constructed building or a specific arrangement of things or people, especially things that have multiple parts. The boys brigade structure is the hierarchical arrangement of administrative power in the BB, from the smallest unit in bracket the company to the highest decision-making unit of the country in bracket National Council. Illustration: the company, the group council, the battalion council, the state council, the national council. All these make up the boys brigade structure and they all function together. Thanks for watching. Be sure and steadfast.